Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling quality materials and prioritizing safety. Use high-carbon steel for edge retention and a dense hardwood handle for shock absorption. This makes the axe strong and durable. Once done, set up a forge that reaches 1200 to 1300 degrees Celsius and position your anvil, tongs, and quench tank nearby so you don't waste time hunting tools mid-process. Make sure to wear eye protection and gloves. Consistent temperature and proper PPE prevent mistakes and accidental warping. You now shape the head and control the grain structure. Heat the billet evenly, draw out the pole and bit to achieve a 3-4 mm blade thickness at the edge, and form the eye to fit your handle snugly. Once formed, normalize 3 times to relieve stress. This makes the steel predictable. Then harden at the alloy's critical temperature and quench, oil for high carbon, water only for alloys that tolerate it. Afterward, temper at 200 to 250 degrees Celsius to balance toughness and hardness. You complete the axe by fitting and securing the handle, then refining the edge and finish. Drive the head onto the handle, add a wooden wedge, epoxy, and a roll pin for redundancy. Trim and sand the haft to a comfortable grip. Next, set the bevel to 20 to 25 degrees per side for a strong cutting geometry, then oil and wax to protect the metal. If the head loosens, stop using it, re-wedge, add epoxy, or replace the handle. If you see cracks, discard the head or have it professionally inspected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.